Happy New Year and welcome back to Hello High for another great cannabis recipe. I just want to say thank you to everyone who supported the Hello High brand in 2025. Thank you for everyone who purchased an Ultra Infuser. Thank you to everyone who subscribed to my Patreon. Thank you to everyone who has shared my videos or any of my social posts. Thank you. Today, I just want to show you how to make some honey hot potato wedges. Now, these potato wedges are going to be perfect for the Super Bowl that comes up in 2 weeks. So get your honey, your infused honey or your regular honey, get your hot sauce and get that canna butter together. And we are going to make some hot honey potato wedges. And if you already don't know, I don't know how you don't know this because I say this before every single video, but you can make honey and the Ultra Infuser as well as butter. And if you have not picked one up yet, please go pick one up on Amazon, or you can pick one up on the Hello High Cooks website along with all the other accessories that I have available, and I will leave both of those links below. And if you are ready to make some hot honey potato wedges, let's get started. Now for this recipe, you'll need some russet potatoes, some all-purpose flour, some eggs, hot sauce, honey, some garlic salt, some Italian seasoning, some pepper, some parsley, and that good old can of butter. Start by adding about 1.5 cups of corn or vegetable oil to a pan and turning the heat on medium. Now I'm using a cast iron skillet for this recipe because they work better when frying food. Then add 2 cups of all-purpose flour to a large mixing bowl. Season the flour with a 1/2 tablespoon of pepper, a 1/2 tablespoon of parsley, a 1/2 tablespoon of garlic salt, and 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning, and mix this with a whisk or a fork until well combined, and then set it aside. Next, crack 2 eggs into a medium-sized mixing bowl and whisk until well combined, and then set that bowl aside as well. Now for the potatoes, I'm using russet potatoes. Now make sure you wash and dry the potatoes before slicing them. Now start by slicing the potato in half the long way and then cut the half into another half like this. Now you may need to cut the half twice if you're using a big potato. Now for this recipe, medium-sized potatoes are best to use because you don't want them to be too long for the pan. Now when you finish cutting all your potatoes, they should look like this. Now, before I fry these potatoes, I'm coating them with the flour and egg mixtures. Now, dip a potato wedge into the flour first. And make sure you coat that whole wedge and then dip the wedge into the egg mixture. Now, shake off any excess yolk and then dip it back into the flour mixture and then place the wedge on a plate. Now, after you finish coating all your wedges, they should look like this. And now I'm ready to fry. Now, before you drop the wedges into the oil, make sure your oil is between 350 degrees, 350 to 365 degrees Fahrenheit. Now, carefully place each wedge into the frying pan. Now, while the potato wedges are frying, I'm making the honey hot sauce. Now, add 1/4 cup of honey to a small pot. Now, I didn't use infused honey for this recipe because my butter is pretty potent, but you can use infused honey if you don't have infused butter. Now, then I added 1/4 cup of hot sauce, 3 tablespoons of that good old can of butter, and then I turned the heat to a low medium and stirred until the mixture was combined. Now, the sauce may bubble up some, and this is fine. This will just make the sauce a little thicker. And then I let it boil for about 2 to 3 minutes and then turn the sauce down to a simmer until my potato wedges finish frying. Now, once you fried the wedges on each side for 5 minutes, remove the wedges and place them on a paper towel lined plate to absorb the excess oil. Now, after frying your potatoes, they should look nice and crispy like this. Now, add half the potatoes to a large mixing bowl and drizzle a third of the honey hot sauce on top. Then add the remaining potatoes and a half of the remaining sauce on top. Now use a spatula or large spoon and stir and coat the wedges with the honey hot sauce. Now when thoroughly coated, add the rest of the sauce and stir until the wedges are completely coated. When finished, plate your wedges and sprinkle some parsley flakes on top and you have cannabis infused honey hot potato wedges. Enjoy!